Hello, hope you're fine. Welcome to Advertising Eagle channel again. So today we will discuss how to add tracking IDs in Amazon shipment plan. So here is the Amazon shipment plan, and let me show you the supplier shared with me these tracking IDs. So this one is the shipment ID and these are the tracking IDs. Okay, so while creating the shipment plan and selecting the shipment Chinese local shipment companies, you will need to take the tracking IDs from the Chinese supplier, the Chinese shipment company, and need to put here. Okay, if we select the UPS shipping company, Amazon partner to UPS shipping company, then these tracking IDs don't need, Amazon will take this automatically. But when we choose any other company, any other shipping company which is not partnered with the Amazon, then we have to put it manually, and we will need to take the taking IDs from the shipping company. Okay, let's start the video. From here we will go to the inventory tab, then shipment. Okay, so here you will see all the shipments. What we need for we need to come here and need to take from here the shipment ID and search here. So here you are seeing this is the shipment ID and missing tracking ID. So click on it, missing tracking ID, and we will copy from here the tracking IDs which is provided by the supplier, copy and paste all in these tabs. So these four tabs for this tracking, because we open under one shipment ID. Okay, so just now update all, and you will see here, remove the filter. You will see here we put these four tracking IDs. So this was the process, very simple. I hope you understand it easily. Thank you.